we are talking all about taking a day or two to rest. As dancers, we tend to push ourselves a lot, and we kind of neglect our body's needs to a certain point. We're oftentimes in class or we're training for a show, and that pushes us, which is great. But we need to allow our body to recuperate. Now, on show weeks, I understand that there are often many extra hours that we put in trying to get ready and things of that nature. But when you're training or coming out of a show, it's always ideal to have a day or two where your body can recuperate. If we do not, this tends to be where we start seeing adverse reactions. If we do not take a day or two to let our body recuperate, you may not feel the impact right away, but over time, this can actually lead to fatigue and even a burnout for us. It can also lead to injury. Your body doesn't have time to rebuild the muscles and recuperate, and so this can lead us to tendonitis. This can lead us to severe injuries where we tear muscles. In a day and age where we are typically always running, this can be a challenge for us. And I understand right now with the pandemic going on, we're all kind of taking more rest days, most likely, than we would like. But when we're all going back to normal, or even when we're training online, we want to make sure that we are still allowing our body time to recuperate and stay healthy. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about why ballet is the